Hello guys, today we are going to solve question number 9, 10 and 11 of class 8 mathematics exercise 11.1. Let us solve first question number 9. As you can see a figure on the board, this is a pentagon. This figure contains 5 sides and we need to find the area of this one. Okay, now its name is A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and this is F, this one is H, and this one is G. Okay, these are base and these are perpendiculars from its opposite vertex. Okay, question number 9 solution. Here in the polygon, it is a pentagon as well as this polygon also. I have told this pentagon. A, B, C, D, E polygon has what it has? It has BE equal to how much? 8 centimeter. Okay, CE is equal to 10 centimeter, AF is equal to 5 centimeter, CG equal to 4 centimeter, DH equal to, this is D, DH equal to 3 centimeter. This data is given. We have to find the area of this polygon. This polygon is divided into 3 triangles. You see, joining BE and CE. This is a polygon ABCDE, but joining this diagonal BE and CE, this is divided into 3 triangles. We will find the area of 3 triangles differently, separately, and we will add. Then we will get the area of this polygon. Okay. The first area of ABC. Therefore, area of triangle ABC. What is the area of triangle ABC? Formula of area is half into base into height. Half. What is the base of triangle ABE? This B is the base. We write here BE. What is the height? Height is AF. Okay, my dear friends, you please be attentive. Now half into, in place of B, what should we write? 8. Okay, AF, you can see here it is 5. 2 4s are 8. Now what do we get? This is 20. Area of the triangle ABC is 20 centimeters square. Similarly, area of triangle BCE. BCE same, half into base into height. Those half into what is base? Here in the BCE, base is BE. Okay, BE directly I am writing, and the height is CG. Now half into BE, in place of BE what should we write? BE is what? 8, and CG is 4. Okay, now cut it. 4 2s are 8. Now 4 4s are 16 centimeters square. Area of triangle ABC and area of triangle BCE we have already got. Now we have to find out the area of triangle CDE. Okay, I will erase, please note down. Now area of triangle CDE. What is the base? CE. Half into CE, that means half into base into height. What is height? DH. Now what's the value? I have erased it. CE is equal to 10. Half into 10. DH equal to 3. Okay. Now we can cut it. 5 2s are 10. Then 5 3s are 15 centimeters square. Now add this areas of these 3 triangles, then we will get area of this polygon. Therefore, area of the polygon ABCDE equal to area of triangle ABE plus area of triangle BCE plus area of triangle CDE. Okay, now put the values. It is 20, this is 16, and this is 15. Now after adding this, we will get what? 31, then 51 centimeter square. This is the area of this polygon. Okay, it's very easy since these bases and area these perpendiculars are given, so it can be easily find out. So this is the final area of this polygon. Separately we found first triangle ABC, then BCE, then CDE. My dear students, you please note down. I am going to solve question number 10. Okay. Now question number 10 has a figure, you see. This is a figure, okay. These two sides are equal. Here it looks as different because I could not draw properly. So this is 30 centimeter and this is 10 centimeter. This is also 30 centimeter and this one is 50 centimeter up to this, and this total is 70 centimeter. Okay. So we have to find out the figure area of this figure. First, this middle portion is rectangular figure, rectangular part. So this is question number 10. Solution. So area, directly I am doing area of the rectangular part. Okay, L into B. What is the L of the rectangular part? This is 50. 50 and breadth is what? 10. Then it is 500 centimeters square. Got it? Now this portion and this portion are same in size, equal in size. Therefore, if we find the area of this portion, then adding these two, we will find both the trapezium shaped portion. Okay. Now area of both the trapezium, okay, 2 into, okay, since this is 2 trapeziums, I have written only 2. The formula of area of trapezium is half into A plus B into H. Okay, these 2 and 2 are cancelled. Okay, now in place of A, what should we write? This is 10 means this is also 10. Okay, then in place of A, let us write 30, and in place of B, let us write 10. Okay, and what is the height? Height means this portion is 50 and total is 70. 70 minus 50 is 20. Then this is half of 20 and this is also half of 20. That means this is 10. I have written something shortcut. Okay, you please understand. Now this is what? 3 and 4. 40 into 10. Then 400 centimeters square. So both the trapezium shaped area gives 400 centimeters square and the rectangular part gives 500 centimeters square. That this adding these two, you will get the total area of this figure. Okay. Therefore, area of the figure equal to 500 plus 400. That means 900 centimeters square. My dear students, perhaps you understood. I have done a little bit shortcut. It doesn't matter. So you please note it down, and I am going to solve question number. No. Today this much. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.